Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Monday, July 25th, 2022. Just
Order
getting rolling
filled.
here.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, here we go. That was quick, huh?
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Here we go. I didn't even get to show you what time it was. Boom.
Order canceled.
Let's see if this is going to run. Oh, I should have stuck on there.
Order canceled.
Oh, wow. That was pretty quick. Let's take a look first. Yeah, I got most of it, that move. Wow. Sorry, the time is was 9:16 or 9:15 when I started, probably. Yeah, 9:15, so 1 minute. Now it's rebounding. This will be a really quick video. Look at that. Okay, so over here we got $122. So we're doing 25 contracts, 2,300. So we're looking at about 200 roughly. 100%. 35 seconds. Yeah, 71,000 for the month if you did that every month. And then over here, 122, same contracts, commission rather. And then 4,492 minus the 122. So I'm looking at 4,300 roughly. That one was 35 seconds and 137,000 a month. So yeah, that was nice for a Monday. Just look at that. Yeah, right there, the short right there. I caught it all before it turned. Okay. All right. Well, keep watching. I will make more videos. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and I'll make more videos. Thank you.